Okay, in this application problem it reads, Colleen, a popular barista at an Alpine coffee house, is mixing two types of coffee beans. The first type costs $3 per pound and $2.75 per pound respectively. To make 30 pounds of a mixture costing $2.85 per pound, how many pounds of each were put into the mixture? So let's draw a picture. So let's say, I guess coffee beans need to be brown. We got a pile of coffee beans over here, let's say. I don't know, I always like drawing pictures. Of course, the other coffee beans, we got dark coffee beans. And those don't look much darker than the ones I just... Anyway. Okay, so let's say that the dark coffee beans are the ones that cost $3 per pound, we'll say. Alright, and then the light coffee beans, maybe it's called the light roast, I don't know, is $2.75. So the percentage of these are going to be dark and another percentage are going to be light. But what we're going to do here is the number of, let's just go back to another color. We'll call this the dark X. This is going to be the unknown number of coffee beans, and of course it's in pounds. Okay, so I should have said that this whole thing right here weighs, so let's say we weighed it out, weighs 30 pounds. Okay, so it weighs 30 pounds. However, the dark is going to weigh, well, we don't know yet, right? But the light is going to be, so 30 pounds, and we're going to subtract off X. Okay, subtract off X right here. This will give us the number of light roasted beans, let's say. Let's go ahead and write up an equation. Okay, so we've got $3, and I'm just going to label it as 3x. Okay, it's dollars per pound. X is the number of pounds. So what we're going to get here is more or less a cost equation. What's the total cost? Plus, so the next bean, the light bean, is $2.75. And this is going to be in weight, the number of light roasted beans. So this will be 30 minus X. Right. So this will be the total cost. The dark beans plus the light beans. Well, that total cost is, we know that it's going to be a total of 30 pounds. And that, did I read the rest of the problem? Of a mixture costing $2.85 per pound. So this total mixture right here is going to cost $2.85 per pound times 30, which is the number of pounds. But we don't know how many dark beans in weight and how many light beans. But we will know after we do the calculations here, once we've set up our equation. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and do this. We're going to have 3x plus 275 times 30 is going to be 82.5 minus 275x is equal to, and 30 times $2.85 should come to 85.50. Okay. Alright. So now what we want to do is go ahead and collect up our like terms. We have 3x minus 275, so that's going to be a difference of 25 cents. Right. So that's going to be 25. Whoa. So 0.25x is equal to, let's go ahead and subtract both sides, 8250, or just think of it as taking that over. So we're going to have 8550 minus 82. I should just say 82.5. All right, so let's get the difference on that. So we have 85.5 minus 82.5, and that's a difference of 3. All right. And now we just multiply both sides by 1 over 0.25. That gives us x is equal to, let's see, that's 1/4. Flip the fraction. 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, so x is going to be 12 pounds. All right. So we're going to need 12 pounds of the dark roasted beans, and then take 30 minus 12, and that's going to give us 18. 18 pounds of the light roasted beans. And of course, 12 plus 18 comes to 30. All right. So you can always take your numbers here. Take this 12, plug it back into the original equation, and this left-hand side had better equal the right-hand side. Okay? I hope it does. Maybe I should check that real quick. 3 times 12 plus 2.75 parentheses 30 minus 12. I get 85, so that should be $85.50. That's what that comes to. I got 85.5. 30 times. Yep, 85.5. All right, it works out. Okay, setting up that equation is pretty important. See you in the next problem.